Hey guys, welcome to Zowski TV Recaps channel. Today I'm going to recap a 2015 animated short sequel to the 2013 film Frozen movie called Frozen Fever. It's Anna's birthday and Elsa is determined to give her the best celebration ever. She leaves Kristoff in charge of looking after the courtyard while she takes Anna on a birthday scavenger hunt around the kingdom, telling him not to let anyone in before they're ready, not to touch anything, and to keep an eye on the cake. As Anna gets dressed, it is revealed that Elsa has a cold, producing a little snowman called Snoggies with every sneeze. However, this goes unnoticed. As the royal sisters wander the kingdom for more birthday surprises, Kristoff, Sven, and Olaf are at the mercy of the Snoggies, who are desperately trying to get a bite of their cake. Meanwhile, after nearly falling off the clock tower, Anna finally convinces Elsa to let Anna take her home and help her get better. But as they open the gates, Anna is surprised to find the courtyard beautifully decorated for the party and everyone in the kingdom has been invited. Only then does an embarrassed Elsa figure out the origin of the hundreds of tiny snowmen scurrying around the courtyard. But in the end, the party is ahead. All of the Snuggies get a first share of the cake thanks to Sven, and the party concludes with Elsa blowing, or more accurately, sneezing into birthday puke horn, creating a giant snowball that flies all the way to the Southern Isles and hits Hans. The next day, Kristoff, Sven, and Olaf take the Snuggies to Elsa's ice palace over the North Mountain to live with a bewildered Marshmallow. With this, the movie ends. Hope you enjoyed the recap. See you soon with the recap of a new movie. Till then, stay happy and chill out.